Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Coinmama, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Coinmama. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll see fields for your email and password. First, enter the email address associated with your Coinmama account. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Next, proceed to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you're unsure about your password, you can recover it by clicking on the Forgot Password link. For security, ensure you are using a secure internet connection. After entering your email and password, look for the login button at the bottom of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Coinmama account dashboard. If you encounter an error message, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If needed, follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, take a moment to explore your account settings and preferences. This ensures everything is set up according to your needs. You are now ready to use Coinmama for your cryptocurrency transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.